Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake in Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to loop a video in CapCut. To loop a video in CapCut, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. From the home page, tap on New Project. From your device's camera roll, select the video you want to loop. After choosing the video, click on Add at the bottom right. Now, your selected video will be displayed in the timeline. Tap on your video layer and then scroll through the bottom menu and tap on Duplicate. This will duplicate your video. Repeat this process to create as many loops as you want, and another loop will be added into the same timeline. Now, tap on the play button underneath the preview screen in order to play the looped video. You can also add simple fade in or fade out effect between each clip by tapping on the little white square button. Select Transitions from the menu that pops up in order to enhance your loop. Finally, after you are ready to export, tap on Export at the top right corner, choose the desired resolution and frame rate, and finally save your looped video on your device. And that's how you easily loop a video using CapCut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more editing tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.